What's up, guys? Today I have another niche for you. This is a very simple one, and I'll show you how you can do this step by step. So this is a recipe book to write in your own recipes. So this is the whole thing is the keyword that you can use for your title and subtitle, and I'll show you later how you can do the same. So I'm using keywords everywhere for this one, for this information, for the volume. As you can see, it picks up on April and August. So this is a really good niche. Let me show you how much people are making here. So the bestseller is making $1,300. This is just for this month, right? It can increase. It can increase on Mother's Day and other holidays. So this is really good. As you can see, people are making a fair decent amount of money with this. So the covers are very simply too. I'll show you how you can do everything, how you can set up everything in just 5 minutes, and I'll show you everything here. So this one, most of them are binded because I'm using the old category, not the books category here. So this is really good niche. So these are really just very simple covers. And let me show you how you can set this up. We'll start from the covers or from the interior, sorry. So I go to kdpapp.com. This is kdpapp.com, and I'm just going to create a new project. This tool is, by the way, free. You can find it on kdpapp.com. So I just give it a name, recipe book, and just give it a trim size, just no bleed. And I'm just gonna create a project here. So it generates me a cover and interiors like this. So on the cover you can just design whatever you like. Let me just grab this one. Actually, not this one. Just a rectangular square one. So I'm just gonna on the middle. If you're on a budget, you can just use this for covers. I usually just outsource my covers, but you can this is really getting, let me just show you on just how you can write the text here. I'm just gonna put a middle one. So the right one is the front cover. I'm just gonna change the cover here, the color. Just gonna change, come on. Just gonna change the, okay, it's not, here you go. So this is the recipe. I think you get the idea, right? So you can create a cover with this. So yes, like this, and you can just download, but no, cancel here. So you're just saving that. That's why I asked. So I'm just gonna click the blank one here. I'm just going to go to page templates. I'm just going to click on the page templates. As you can see, there are hundreds of books ready to be published here, ready to be generated by you for free. As you can see, on KDP app. So I'm just going to paste here my keyword on the recipe. As you can see, there are 7 variants of recipe book. So I can use whatever I want here. Let me just use the 7th one. So on here, I'm just going to click on the pages. I'm just going to select them. Just leave the trim size just alone, and I'm just going to submit here. So it generates me an interior like this for all the pages. Can you believe that? Just in like seconds. Yeah, so this is really good. As you can see, I think I just dragged it. Let me just undo this. Yes, like this for all the pages, So this is really good. You can create any interior in just a matter of seconds. Can you believe that? This is really good. Just go to kdpapp.com to get a free account and have fun with this one. So as you can see, there are many interiors. So you can just download this and just upload it just it will give you a free account and on a PDF document. So this is I'm just going to copy my, first of all, you can get the covers from here, from the topcoverdesigner.com. You just go to topcoverdesigner.com, have your book cover made professionally for $5, $10, and $25 for cheap. For $5 is cheap. So I'm just going to copy my keyword here, and I'm going to show you how you can use, how you can get a lot of keywords here from KDP rank. I just go to kdprank.com, and I'm just going to paste my keyword here, and I'll press search. This tool is also free. You can download it. You can use this for free. So number of competing products, it will show you the search volume and number of competing products. You can use this for your title, maybe the second one for your subtitle. So they are very low competition. So it will give you a keyword, the best-selling keywords, for free. You can grab a free account on kdprank.com. So also it will also show you the competitors, how they are selling. So let me go back to my main dashboard on KDP tips. You can download your bestsellers guide on kdptips.com. I'm just going to need your email, and I'll send you the PDF file. So this is it, guys. Have fun with this one. I hope you got a very good lesson out of this. Have fun and make money. I wish you success. Bye bye.